Alright, this is Leonard's Bakery. We got 4 of the custard filled, we got 4 of the dobash, and then we got the 4 of the halpia. You can smell how fresh it is. Look at this, look at these babies. Ooh, they're fresh.
I know, I know you.
Some stuff you just gotta go, you know what, never gonna do it again. Because the Malasadas at the Chinese place is not the same.
To do this before you do it.
My goodness. I thought you were just getting one to try. I didn't know you were going to get a whole box.
Would you
Wow.
Close action, check it out.
No, this is custard.
That's the custard one?
Oh, that's...
There's a halpia and a dobash
So how
one.
that would be the same.
Just a bite.
Just a bite?
Yeah. Alright, now this is the dobash.
You need a bite?
Am I gonna bite?
No. Yeah, this is for the cheese.
One bite.
Which one?
I like the custard better than the dobash.
Really? I don't need it, girl.
I'll finish
What
that
is the
off.
dobash? Chocolate?
It's a half.
I'll finish it off.
It's over.
So Dave was asking me about discipline. It's gone.
Daddy probably like this one.
What do you think? Which one is that again? Oh, the custard though. Is it good?